I'm Joshua, and today we're going to be going over coins, the four major coins that we use today. Let's get started. So here we have the penny. The penny is worth 1 cent. We have the nickel, which is worth 5 cents. We have the dime, which is worth 10 cents. And we have the quarter, which is worth 25 cents. Now let's do some problems interacting with the coins. So if I brought 4 pennies and 1 nickel. So we know the pennies have a 1 cent value, so we count them off. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's 4 cents right there. And if we bring in a nickel, that's 5. So if we do 4 plus 5, that would equal 9. Now let's do another one. So if I brought 1 dime, 2 nickels, that would equal 1 dime on itself is 10 cents. So we have 10 cents. And then we have 2 nickels, which equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. So we have 10 plus 10, which is 20. So 1 dime and 2 nickels would equal 20 cents. Hello, second grade. I'll be your math tutor, Joshua, and today we're going to go over some simple multiplication. Let's get started. So let's start off with the ones. So if we had 5 times 1, what would that equal? Now the thing to know about 1 when you're multiplying some things by 1 is that it's always going to equal itself. So anything times 1 is itself. So with 5 times 1, that would equal itself, meaning that would be 5. So 5 times 1 is 5. And you can take any number, like say 8. What's 8 times 1? Well, anything, if you knew anything times 1 is itself, you would know 8 times 1 is 8. You can even do a high number like 25. 25 times 1. So what's 25 times 1? Well, if it is, anything times 1 is itself, that would mean it equals 25. Now we're going to work on our multiplications of 2. So if we had 2 times 2, what would that equal? Now one of the tricks that is easy to use is if you had 2 and you see that it's times 2, with the 2's you can just add up by 2. So 2, it'd be what's 2 plus 2, and that would equal 4. It's the same case as 2 times 2. 2 times 2, so it's 2 plus 2, it would equal 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. And to show you a greater example, what's 3 times 2? So if we took 3 and we multiplied it another time by its 3, we know 3 plus 3 is 6. That would mean 3 times 2 is 6. Another thing you can do is if you see 2, so if you had 2 times 2, which is 4, and then you just add 2 to it, you would get 6. Meaning that the next number in the multiplication would be 6. So then that would mean that's 3 times 2. And if you went 4 times 2, you would have to go plus 2 equals 8. So you would know 4 times 2 equals 8. And that's all.